Today we begin where every great journey starts. As the Coca-Cola day comes alive with precision, purpose, and quiet energy. From above, the scale of this place reveals itself, where millions of moments are prepared with discipline, detail, and absolute consistency. Inside, dedicated teams move with focus and rhythm, each step part of a process refined through generations of experience. Here, at the heart of it all, the Coca-Cola journey takes shape, where science, craft, and legacy meet every single day. Time matters here, because every second marks the beginning of another carefully planned production cycle. As the gates open, the lifeline of production arrives, delivering the essential materials that keep everything moving forward. Every arrival is guided with accuracy, ensuring nothing disrupts the flow of a system built on reliability. Powerful machines work hand in hand with skilled operators, transforming raw deliveries into the foundation of something iconic. Within these walls, raw ingredients wait in perfect order, prepared for a process that demands purity and precision. Each batch is verified carefully because quality begins long before the first bottle is filled. Even the smallest crystal is examined, ensuring consistency that never changes, no matter where it's enjoyed. Science plays its role here, balancing elements with care to preserve a taste known around the world. Measurements must be exact, because perfection depends on details that cannot be rushed or guessed. This is where transformation begins, and simple ingredients start their journey towards something unmistakable. Carried forward smoothly, every grain moves with purpose, guided by systems designed for accuracy. Step by step, ingredients are directed forward, flowing into the next stage of refinement. Towering structures stand quietly, holding the building blocks of a formula trusted for generations. Constant monitoring ensures ideal conditions, protecting consistency at every stage of creation. And control. The signature elements are introduced, marking a defining moment in the process. Slowly, the familiar character begins to emerge, rich, smooth, and unmistakably Coca-Cola. Every level is checked, because balance defines the experience found in every bottle. Inside, steady motion brings everything together, blending tradition with modern precision. Energy builds as movement accelerates, uniting elements into a single powerful identity. Additional components are introduced with care, enhancing depth while preserving the original character. Technology keeps watch, confirming that every stage meets exact standards. Samples are taken to ensure what's forming matches expectations shaped over decades. Flow and texture are confirmed, guaranteeing consistency from start to finish. Now complete, the mixture moves onward, ready for the next stage of its journey. Pure water joins the process, filtered and refined to meet uncompromising requirements. Carbon dioxide is prepared carefully, adding the familiar life and sparkle. Pressure is controlled precisely, because balance defines the final experience. Finally, water and energy combine, creating the unmistakable refreshment known worldwide. Energy awakens as countless bubbles rise rapidly, creating freshness, motion, excitement, defining the drink worldwide. The liquid flows forward through protected pathways, preserving depth, color, balance, identity toward the next stage. Pressure settles and equilibrium forms, securing texture, mouthfeel, sparkle, ensuring consistent sensation every sip worldwide. Empty bottles arrive together, beginning transformation journeys, prepared to carry trusted quality forward globally today. Hundreds move in harmony, reflecting light, demonstrating uniformity, precision, readiness for the moment ahead now. Order replaces randomness, as each bottle finds alignment, ensuring consistency. Efficiency control before filling begins. Cleanliness becomes essential, as bottles are thoroughly prepared, removing traces, guaranteeing purity, safety, trust worldwide. Pure water rushes through with strength, precision, speed, ensuring interiors remain spotless, clear, and ready. Bottles return upright, renewed, transparent, flawless, prepared to receive their signature drink with care, precision. Bright inspection reveals every surface, confirming integrity, clarity, perfection, allowing progress forward without compromise ever. Anything imperfect is removed instantly, preserving standards, protecting quality, maintaining trust built decades worldwide today. The filling system takes command, positioning each bottle exactly where required for consistent results always. At the perfect moment, filling begins, guided by engineering delivering balance, reliability, excellence worldwide, daily. The familiar liquid flows smoothly, dark, rich, unmistakable, forming a globally loved taste for generations. Automatic systems adjust instantly, maintaining foam balance, ensuring standards without delay variation anywhere, worldwide, ever. Caps arrive swiftly, completing seals, locking freshness, protecting quality for consumers everywhere, each single day. Each bottle is sealed securely, creating confidence contents remain untouched until opening by people worldwide. A brief pause allows everything to settle, completing this critical stage precisely with stability control. Momentum builds as finished bottles accelerate forward, reflecting efficiency, rhythm production scale inside facilities worldwide. Every bottle is checked again, verifying levels, accuracy, uniformity, before continuing through the process globally. Brand identity takes form as labels prepare recognition, heritage, trust for consumers everywhere, worldwide, daily. Adhesive is applied carefully, ensuring labels remain secure, aligned, clean during transport. Storage handling worldwide. Labels wrap smoothly, locking into place, completing the iconic, recognizable look seen everywhere worldwide today. A final rotation perfects presentation, ensuring appearance matches quality inside every single bottle produced worldwide. Important information is added, marking bottles for tracking, accountability, transparency throughout their entire journey worldwide. Permanent codes are etched, ensuring traceability, compliance, trust across markets, regions, countries, continents served worldwide. Final approval confirms standards met, allowing the journey to continue forward confidently with pride worldwide. A final human check confirms perfect label alignment, ensuring every bottle reflects trust, quality, consistency, and pride worldwide. Bottles move together, forming organized groups, preparing for secure packaging, efficient handling, and smooth progression ahead, seamlessly. Support forms beneath each group, creating stability, protection, and structure for safe storage, transport, and distribution everywhere. Clear wrapping gently covers bottles, providing protection, visibility, cohesion, cleanliness, and professional presentation for every pack. Tension adjusts automatically, securing each pack tightly while preserving shape, balance, strength, durability, and visual appeal. Heat activates transformation, sealing packs firmly, preparing them for cooling, movement, handling, and distribution stages. Thermal energy completes sealing, shaping packaging perfectly around bottles with precision, consistency, and reliability ensured. Cooling air restores balance, ensuring packs stabilize, maintain integrity, and retain structure after sealing process. A fine mist completes cooling, protecting packaging clarity, product safety, freshness, and appearance during transition. Handles are applied carefully, making transport easier while maintaining durability, balance, reliability, and consumer satisfaction. Convenience. Finished packs advance smoothly toward the next stage, ready for organized stacking operations ahead. Robotic precision lifts multiple packs efficiently, combining strength, accuracy, consistency, and flawless timing together. Each layer is placed carefully, building stable pallets with perfect alignment, balance, and load security. Protective guards secure edges, preventing damage during handling, storage, transportation, and logistical movement phases. Separation layers are added, enhancing strength, stability, weight distribution, and pallet integrity throughout movement. Fully assembled pallets move forward, signaling readiness for final preparation, dispatch, and delivery. Wrapping seals everything together, protecting products throughout handling, transport, storage, and delivery journeys worldwide. Identification labels are applied, ensuring traceability, accuracy, logistics control, and system integration everywhere. Scanning confirms information, instantly approving movement through distribution systems efficiently without interruption. Multiple lines merge smoothly, demonstrating efficiency, coordination, scale, synchronization, and operational excellence clearly. Finished pallets travel through storage aisles, awaiting dispatch with precise organization and readiness. Towering shelves reflect readiness, showcasing volume, consistency, reliability, and logistical discipline throughout operations. Digital records update instantly, ensuring visibility, accuracy, control, tracking, and operational confidence everywhere. Pallets approach transport vehicles, signaling the final transition toward nationwide delivery routes. Each load is secured carefully, ensuring safety, stability, protection, and confidence before departure. Doors close firmly, protecting the journey ahead from origin to destination securely. Delivery fleets stand ready, representing scale, reliability, operational strength, and nationwide reach. A single truck departs, carrying refreshment toward countless destinations beyond factory walls. Final clearance confirms authorization, allowing smooth exit from the facility without delay. Wheels roll forward, marking the beginning of distribution beyond factory boundaries worldwide. The journey continues on open roads, connecting production to everyday moments everywhere. The host returns, marking completion of a journey built on precision, dedication, pride, and care. The final image celebrates refreshment, purity, craftsmanship, consistency, and the timeless Coca-Cola experience worldwide. Thank you for joining this journey celebrating craftsmanship, refreshment, and moments shared together around Coca-Cola worldwide.